I have already made 2 reports about the leak and incident in Tesla Giga Berlin. It's really not a big deal, but the German publications are up in arms. But I have new revelation today. Okay, the German media are up in arms because 15,000 liters of paint-related liquid leaked on Giga Berlin factory floor due to a human error. But only 1 or 2 liters got outside because the firefighters apparently made a mistake when cleaning their hoses. Even that amount did not get into the ground but was captured. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla breaking news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. So German media, like I said, is reporting that there was a leak. The environmental agencies are worried about this, but like I said in my introduction, factory floor, 15,000 liters of paint related liquid leaked on the factory floor due to a human error, but only 1 or 2 liters got outside because of the firefighters made a mistake when they were cleaning their hoses, and even that amount at Giga Berlin did not get into the ground to the cleaning water but was captured. Now the German publication golem.de talks about the dispute, how to deal with this. This report is mainly about that. The publication says chemicals leaked at Tesla Giga Berlin due to an operational disruption. According to the report by the Berliner Tagesspiegel, the accident happened on April 11, whereupon Tesla informed the State Environment Agency verbally on April 12th and in writing on April 14, 2022. A spokesman said it was not an accident. The district also rejected environmental damage. So I guess that's the good news, right? That it was not an accident, maybe it was planned or something, and the district rejected environmental damage. Now, those of you who doubt about this veracity of this report, you can always check the descriptions of my videos to see my sources, which I have the links in the description of this video. When filling a container in the paint shop at Giga Berlin, a liquid escaped through a valve that was not completely closed. That's how things happen. But according to the Brandenburg Ministry of the Environment, it was stopped by a collection container. From there, it was pumped out by a disposal company. In addition, binders were used to absorb part of the liquid, the Brandenburg Ministry of the Environment told the Tagesspiegel. Water-polluting liquids were not released into the open air or into the ground. The ground part is very important as well as the open air, because that's where Germany kind of captures underground. There is a drinking water reserves. However, the Ecological Democratic Party, ODP, was given a photo that is supposed to show that liquid had run out of the building. The Ministry of the Environment replied that this was due to the activities of the disposal company, the people who were closing, firefighters or something. It was about 2 or 3 liters of hose content that flowed out due to incorrect operation. It is not known exactly which substances were involved. According to the report in the Tagesspiegel, they come from the treatment bath from electrocoating. However, one contradiction has not yet been resolved. This is the dispute part. On April 10, 2022, before the official date of the accident, a drone video from Fly Brandenburg shows a puddle in front of the whole door of the paint shop from 10:30 a.m. onwards. Okay? Part of the resistance to founding the company in Grünheide arose because the factory was built in a water protection area. The Nature Conservation Union and the Green League have lodged an objection to the main permit for the Tesla Giga Berlin factory, regardless of the current accident. So what do you think about all of this, friends? Do you think this is a big deal? The disposal company cleaned its hoses outside. Maybe they were not thinking this is a dangerous chemical or something like that, but everything was gathered in the collection area. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. If you know more information, please provide links and I will follow up on that. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and help us to reach 100,000 subscribers. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. Let's move on to our next Tesla story. We have new updated numbers about Tesla Giga Berlin's production and how the production is going at Giga Berlin. According to Automobile Vogue, German publication, Tesla will only produce around 30,000 vehicles in the new Gigafactory Berlin by the end of this year. We were hoping a little bit more, but that's going to be around between 30,000 and I'm going to say 50,000, and I will explain why. The factory is designed for 500,000 electric vehicles a year in the first expansion stage, but we're looking between 30,000 and 50,000, and I'm going to tell you how many they are making per week model-wise at Giga Berlin. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and help us to reach the goal of 100,000 subscribers, please. A new report coming out of Germany is giving us some insights into the state of Giga Berlin's production ramp-up, which is apparently now producing about 350 Model Y electric vehicles per week. Why? The bulls like it and the bears say it's bad because it's too little. Now, what do you think? 350 Model Ys per week. Is this good for this stage or no? A little bit later, I'm going to tell you that Tesla Giga Berlin is going to be shut down for about 3 weeks in the fall, and for what reason I will tell you in a moment. Tesla just started production at Giga Berlin a month ago, but the start of production is not as important as the ramp up to volume production. Volume production is what we're looking for, so we know when Tesla will be able to make 500,000 electric vehicles a year at Giga Berlin. Now, a new report from Germany's Automobile Vogue claims to have sources sharing data from inside Gigafactory Berlin. The publication claims that Tesla is currently producing 350 Model Y electric vehicles per week at the German Gigafactory. According to the same sources, Tesla is aiming to ramp up production to 1,000 units per week by the end of the month. Now, 1,000 units a week means about 50,000 vehicles a year. But keep in mind that Tesla started in mid-March. Plus, Tesla is not yet making 1,000 vehicles a year, actually 1,000 vehicles a week, but only going to get there maybe in a few weeks. Therefore, the number that we're expecting by the end of the year may be close to the conservative scenario is 30,000 vehicles by the end of the year, and the best scenario 50,000 vehicles. Now, as Tesla confirmed when launching the factory, the Model Y vehicles currently being produced at Giga Berlin are equipped with the currently used 2170 battery cells. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that Tesla aimed to switch to its new structural battery pack architecture powered by its new 4680 battery cells in a few months, and as Bloomberg reports, Tesla will shut down Giga Berlin for about 3 weeks to switch to 4680 battery cells. You know, this is a huge change. Now, the report states that this is going to happen closer to the end of the year, and it would require factory shutdown that will last, like I said, a few weeks. Now, it's funny because you have Tesla bulls saying that these numbers are great news, while the Tesla bears are saying that these numbers highlight serious issues in production ramp. Personally, I don't think they highlight serious issues. They look good to me, especially if they can indeed achieve 1,000 vehicles per week within the next 2 weeks. That's already an annualized production capacity of 50,000 units, and if they go more than 1,000 per week by the end of maybe September or so, that means we can pass the 50,000 or even make, who knows, 100,000 vehicles by the end of December. I don't know. Let's see how things go. I never expected personally significant volume from Giga Berlin right now immediately until toward the end of the year. Especially, we should expect significant value after Tesla shuts down Giga Berlin for a few weeks and then restarts production with full force with 4680 batteries. Now, it will But the concern for me is the change to 4680 battery cells. It is a significant change to the production, and it is likely to affect the production capacity for a while. Like I said, it will be something to keep a close eye, friends, and I'm going to bring you all the reports. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think this is bullish or bearish? The numbers, I think this is a normal production ramp, neither outstanding nor slow. At the end of Q2 is where we can really judge where things are going. And this is great news. I think also say some people, I didn't realize they would have so much downtime switching to 4680s. Correct, I agree. No matter, every electric vehicle they make in Germany is an electric vehicle they don't have to ship from China. So that's going to lessen the stress on Giga Shanghai, which apparently has started limited production today, and is going full production apparently tomorrow. I may have a special report on that coming from Giga Shanghai. What is happening with the production. So please subscribe to our channel and keep an eye on it, as I'm going to, within an hour or so, I will bring you another report from Giga Shanghai. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and happy Easter if you celebrated Easter yesterday. And I'll see you soon in our next report.